Within the crowd of brands specializing in tools for woodworking, Woodpecker stands out as a distinguished name. This company is devoted to leading the woodworking industry through the creation of superior quality tools. They continuously produce tools and accessories that establish the benchmark for outstanding performance. Now, let us explore some impressive new tools from Woodpecker designed for woodworking. Woodpecker's marking gauges and panel marking gauges provide exceptional versatility for hand-cut joinery as well as machine setups. These tools combine the accuracy of a wheel knife marking gauge, which creates scored lines, with the improved clarity offered by mechanical pencil markings, delivering the advantages of both approaches. Whether a craftsman is using traditional hand tools or contemporary machinery, Woodpecker guarantees that all 4 available models produce flawless results. The ability to effortlessly switch between marking techniques allows woodworkers to experience unmatched flexibility and precision in their work. This innovation eliminates the need to choose between different marking methods. Meet the MORTY loose tenon joinery jig from Woodpecker, where the craftsmanship of woodworking meets precise engineering. This groundbreaking tool transforms the potential of loose tenon joints, raising them to a superior level of artistry with fits between mortises and tenon stock so exact that they are ideal for exposed joinery, highlighting the joint's inherent beauty. What makes this jig distinctive is its adaptability, enabling woodworkers to position mortises at multiple angles relative to the stock, thereby opening up limitless design opportunities. Furthermore, Woodpecker challenges expectations by providing this degree of precision and versatility without the typically high cost associated with such advanced tools. With the loose tenon joinery jig, woodworking enthusiasts can confidently pursue their creative projects, equipped with a dependable tool that blends accuracy, flexibility, and affordability. Next, we have the Posi Lock T-Square from Woodpecker. This tool provides the ultimate solution for achieving unmatched accuracy in angled panel layout tasks. Specifically designed to address the difficulties of precise angle layout on larger projects, this innovative device eliminates the frustrations that arise from small errors which increase along extended lines. Equipped with mechanical stops and a precision machined stainless steel blade, the T-Square ensures that your angles remain perfectly aligned. Simply snap the head to the desired angle and draw your line with confidence. The adjustable head ranges from 0 to 70 degrees, with secure locking at every 5 degrees, offering exact angle references at lengths of 12, 24, or 32 inches. Presenting the Woodpecker's Dowel squares, which include the cherished original 3.5-inch model, along with its larger counterpart, the 6-inch Dowel. Both squares are crafted with meticulous attention to precision and practicality, featuring numerous elements designed to improve accuracy in woodworking. From the offset base to the scribing guides and setup block capabilities, every feature that woodworkers value in the original is thoughtfully maintained in the larger design. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, these squares provide strength and durability while remaining lightweight enough to be worn comfortably on a workshop apron. Whether working on complex joinery or straightforward layout tasks, the Dowel squares offer dependable accuracy and ease of use in sizes suited to a variety of project requirements. Woodpecker Ultra-Shear juice groove bits are not just ordinary tools. These groove bits are specifically designed to elevate cutting board projects to a higher level of professionalism while improving workflow efficiency. Engineered with 3 distinctive patterns, each bit features a chamfer that smoothly transitions into a cove. This carefully considered design not only makes sanding easier, but also improves the flow of juices by removing the sharp edge typically left behind by traditional ball nose bits. With 3 unique styles available, these Ultra-Shear juice groove bits provide versatility to suit any cutting board design you have in mind. Whether you are an experienced woodworker or a beginner enthusiast, these bits will enhance the quality and speed of your cutting board projects, delivering a flawless finish with minimal effort. Next, presenting the 6-in-1 Shop Gauge, a multifunctional and compact tool designed to enhance your woodworking experience. This innovative gauge features a pair of stainless steel gear rods that allow for precise adjustments at exact 1 mm intervals. Whether you are setting the depth of a dado blade or measuring with metric accuracy, the gear rods guarantee both precision and efficiency. This versatile tool functions as a saw blade depth gauge, router bit depth gauge, drill bit stop collar setter, marking gauge, depth gauge for rabbets, centering gauge, and a depth gauge for holes and grooves. With an adjustment range of 4 1/4 inches, the Shop Gauge offers a greater capacity compared to the Pocket Gauge. You may choose the Shop Gauge for its extended range, the Pocket Gauge for its convenience, or acquire both tools to meet all your woodworking requirements. The Woodpeckers Saw Gauge is a tool created for woodworkers seeking flawless cuts on their table saws. This innovative device addresses the common frustration of burn marks and inaccurate results caused by misalignment between the miter slot, fence, and blade, delivering unmatched precision and simplicity. Unlike traditional approaches that depend on manual adjustments and frequent recalibration, the saw gauge employs 3 precision ground steel pins that automatically conform to the width of the miter slot, guaranteeing a perfect fit regardless of the saw's brand or model. Requiring no tools or adjustments, woodworkers can achieve instant alignment for perfect rip cuts. Furthermore, the saw gauge features a distinctive capability that allows rapid setting to various distances for aligning the blade, checking the fence, and returning to the original position for comparison measurements, all without the inconvenience of knobs or recalibration. Introducing the Woodpecker Mini in-DEXABLE system, a compact yet powerful addition to your woodworking toolkit. These pocket-sized mini squares deliver all the outstanding features of the full-size in-DEXABLE tools designed to accompany you wherever your projects lead. Expanding the versatility of this mini range, Woodpecker now offers the protractor head and centering head. The protractor head enables precise layout at any angle, featuring positive stops at various angles to ensure effortless accuracy. The centering head simplifies the task of finding the center of both square and round stock with just 2 quick marks. Both heads incorporate the full inch indexing system found on the combination square and double square, allowing the use of laser-accurate scribing guides on the graduated blades. With the Woodpecker Mini in-DEXABLE system, you can enjoy uncompromising precision and convenience all in a compact form. Woodpecker's Auto-Line Drill Guide. Have you ever found yourself struggling with drilling only to end up with inaccurate results? Rely on Woodpecker's Auto-Line Drill Guide to achieve drill press precision wherever and whenever you need it. This guide allows you to adjust the collar to limit travel, and the entire drill guide can be adjusted in multiple ways. It is compatible with any standard drill driver. Thanks to its variety of setting options, you can perform different types of drilling without restrictions. Additionally, a built-in Allen key enables you to remove the rods whenever necessary. Achieve perfectly perpendicular holes exactly where and when you want with this reliable tool. These M2 box clamps will give you the feeling of having an extra hand on the worksite. They securely glue any 90-degree joint quickly while maintaining perfect squareness. In addition, these clamps provide sufficient torque to tighten joints accurately. You can fasten every joint effortlessly by turning a knob or using a hex key. Available in 3 standard stock thickness sizes, these clamps allow you to tackle any project with full confidence. Finally, the distinctive design of the M2 box clamp makes drilling and screwing simple on every task. Regardless of the type of machinery you are using, a high-visibility pencil marking tool is essential. The tool shown here combines the finest features of both a marking gauge and a panel marking gauge. There are 2 options available for the marking beam, one made from red anodized aluminum and the other constructed from sturdy stainless steel. With the large fences, this tool provides excellent control and allows for more precise markings. Additionally, if your project requires metric measurements, these gauges come equipped with metric scales. This means you can enjoy both wheel knife marking and mechanical pencil marking using the same tool. The next tool worth highlighting is the Woodpecker DUAX angle drilling table. This device will be invaluable for those who seek precision in their angle drilling projects. It offers sturdy support for drilling at any angle between 0 and 90 degrees. Thanks to the stainless steel quadrants on both sides and the tightly tolerant hinges at the base, you receive reliable support for every task. The fully adjustable fence allows you to set any angle from perfectly parallel to dead square. It appears that traditional methods of drilling are becoming a thing of the past. Would you not agree? This item you see here is not just a tool, it is an entire system. Introducing Woodpeckers Deluxe Trammel system, which elevates the traditional trammel concept to an unprecedented level. It features laser-engraved beams available in 12, 24, and 36-inch lengths, marked with both imperial and metric scales. 2 sliding clamps guarantee precise positioning on the scale, while female threaded holes allow the attachment of 5 different accessories. The pencil adjustment mechanism is incredibly simple to use. With this system, you can easily draw circles of varying sizes from small to large while maintaining exceptional accuracy each time. Additionally, you can also draw straight lines with ease. Maintaining a dust-free and enjoyable workspace on every project is simple with this full-throttle blast gate. How does it achieve this? It offers several unique benefits compared to traditional sliding valves. Instead of sliding sideways, it pivots perpendicular to the airflow, creating a smooth path that eliminates turbulence. This blast gate easily clamps onto any 4-inch dust collection hose. Here's a little secret. The full-throttle blast gate is available in both inline and surface mount models to accommodate the diverse needs of small workshops equipped with 4-inch ducting. Let your projects continue to keep you comfortable and cool. This universal cross dowel jig will broaden your capabilities when drilling. Eliminate all the frustration associated with drilling cross dowel holes by using this Woodpecker dowel jig. It precisely aligns the cross dowel and bolt holes along the same center line. The tool includes the most common cross dowel sizes available on the market, allowing you to handle a variety of tasks with ease. With adjustable positions for both dowel and bolt holes, it enables you to create numerous joint styles. Say goodbye to unnecessary holes on your work surface. Every woodworker will appreciate this tool because it enables you to achieve more turning using less material. This is the Ultra-Shear parting tool, designed to provide efficient cutting for extended periods without the need for sharpening. The most remarkable feature of this tool is its razor-edged nano-grain carbide inserts, which enhance the quality of your turning work like never before. Additionally, these inserts can be replaced quickly and easily within seconds. Concerned about inserts popping out? Here's the unique feature. The holder includes a dimple that firmly grips the inserts, preventing any risk of them dislodging. It is time to gain complete confidence in every cut you make.
Woodpeckers folding saddle squares. Laying out dovetail joints can feel like a nerve-wracking game of don't mess it up. The Woodpeckers folding saddle squares help you get those layout lines perfect every single time. These tools fold around your workpiece, letting you mark lines across edges and faces with zero guesswork. Each square is milled after assembly to ensure flawless alignment, eliminating the tiny errors that can ruin a joint's fit and appearance. The tension hinge feels solid without being stiff, and the laser engraved scales are clear even in a dim shop. Available in both standard and mini sizes. These squares are a reliable companion for cross-dowel joinery, angled bridle joints, and spline layouts on hex boxes. You can mark table legs, multi-sided frames, or tricky angle project with confidence, knowing your lines will stay precise, your joints will fit tighter, and your finished work.
Thank you for watching our video showcasing some of the new amazing woodpecker tools for woodworking. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this delivered right to your feed. Happy woodworking!